When I first started Career Comeback Hub, it was just me with a mission of helping women professionals reclaim their professional selves. We had 5, 6, 7 women professionals trusting us with their comeback journey. Fast forward today, there are 1500 plus women warriors who are trusting us to rebuild their confidence, restart work after career breaks. And today, there are 60 plus women warriors who have come together at this amazing place in Goa for the Career Comeback Champions Retreat 2.0. So it's Comeback Champions Retreat 2.0, where women warriors at CCH have come together with the theme of Reinvent. Now, who is a better teacher for reinvention than the flowing water? It just adapts to the new trajectories and leaves very strong traces of the past journey. We'll follow the same strategy here, making sure that we learn from our past and we keep adapting to the new situations, new roles that the women warriors are about to assume when they rebuild confidence, restart work, and reclaim their financial independence.